When you are ready, I would like you to take a raisin and hold it in the palm of your hand or between your finger and thumb. Now take time to really focus on it. Gaze at that raisin with care and full attention. Imagine that you've just dropped in from Mars and you've never seen an object like this before in your life. Let your eyes explore every part of it. Examining the highlights, where the light shines, and the darker hollows, the folds and ridges, and any unique features. Now turn the raisin over between your fingers, exploring its texture. Maybe even doing this with your eyes closed, if that enhances your sense of touch. Now hold the raisin between your finger and thumb and beneath your nose. And with each inhalation, take in any smell, aroma, or fragrance that may arise. And as you do this, notice anything interesting that may be happening in your mouth or stomach. Now slowly bring the raisin up to your lips, noticing how your hand and arm know exactly how and where to position it. Gently place the raisin in your mouth without chewing, noticing how it gets into your mouth in the first place. Spend a few moments focusing on the sensations of having it in your mouth, exploring it with your tongue. And when you're ready, prepare to chew the raisin, noticing how and where it needs to be for chewing. Then, very consciously, take 1 or 2 bites into it and notice what happens, experiencing any waves of taste that emanate from it as you continue to chew, without swallowing it yet. Notice the bare sensations of taste and texture in your mouth, and how these may change over time, moment by moment. Also pay attention to any changes in the object itself. And when you feel ready to swallow the raisin, see if you can first detect the intention to swallow it as it comes up, so that even this is experienced consciously before you actually swallow the raisin. Finally, see if you can feel what is left of the raisin moving down into your stomach, and sense how your body as a whole is feeling after you've completed this exercise. And when you're ready, come right back into this moment, experiencing the world around you.